Hello, second grade, and welcome back to math. Today we're going to review counting coins, how much coins are worth, and putting those coins in order so we can count them correctly. So I'm going to share my screen and let's get started. All right. The first thing I want to do is I want to turn our brains on and I want to get our thinking caps on. And we're going to start that with the poem that we learned yesterday. So let's review it. Let's start with the coin that's worth the least amount. Can anyone tell me who that is? Yes, Jordan. That's right. It is a penny. Good job. All right. I want to hear you sing this after me. So let me sing it first and then you repeat it after me. Here we go. A penny. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. And you can even do that 1 cent. Make your voice little and you put your finger up just to remind us. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Bravo, kiss your brains. 1 penny down, it's worth 1 cent. Fabulous. Let's go to our next coin. I see some hands starting already. Good job. Yes, Elizabeth. Oh, you're so close. It kind of looks like a dime, but this coin is flat around the edges. It doesn't have our ridges and it's a little bit bigger than a dime. Jackson? A nickel. Good job. Kiss your brain. All right. Remember, listen to me first, sing our nickel song, and then you sing it back to me. Ready? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I do know that. Good. I see some of you trying. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I do know that. Love it. You guys are catching on. Oh, I see some hands. Okay, Jace, what's my next one? A dime. That's right. And he's going like this. Good job. That dime is tiny. Even though it's our tiniest coin, is it worth the least amount? No. All right. Listen to me first. Dime, dime, skinny and thin. I remember you're worth 10. And then we add cents on the end, but really, we're just keeping it so we can rhyme it and remember it. All right, I want to hear you sing it. Ready, set, go. Dime, dime, skinny and thin. I remember you're worth 10 cents. Good job. Oh, everyone's chiming in for the last coin. I love it. Sharon, what's my last coin? A quarter. Oh, she said it with the voice too. Wonderful. Okay, here we go. Watch and listen on me. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Good. I love to see everyone doing it on their own. Okay, you do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Oh, that's great. Kiss your brains. You did wonderful. Does anyone have any questions so far? Give me a 3, 2, 1. 3. I totally remember these coins. I'm good, Mrs. Coker. 2. I remembered some coins. 1. I think I might need some help. You can put them in the chat if you don't want to hold them up. And we're going to take a second and I'm just going to check. Good. Okay. Awesome. All right. For anyone that put a 2 or a 1, you're in luck because today we're going to review. All right, let's go down to our first example. Remember, if you have any questions or you need me at all, or you need me to look at you, because sometimes Mrs. Coker gets carried away, you put your little emoji hands up, okay? Or you send me a chat in the chat and it will bing on my screen to get my attention, all right? All right, let's go down. Oh, look at this first one. This first one has a couple different coins in it. Can someone tell me all the coins they see? Can you tell me just their names? Jess. Okay, I'm going to label them as you say them. All right. Jess said she sees a quarter. I'm going to put a quarter there. A Q for quarter. Good job. Right? A dime. A D for dime. Good. It's not another quarter because it's not as big as the first one, Jess. A nickel. Good. Nickel. And then we're going to come down here to penny. Oh, Mrs. Coker, whoops. Jess, what was it? Ah, it was a penny. My brain got away from me. Good job, Jess. All right, Jess was so great, and she labeled all these coins for us. That's awesome. What's my next step? Yesterday, we talked about what the coins were, what they were worth, and how we count them. Can anyone go back in their brain and figure out what our next step is to figure out how to count them? Who can think of one? Jackson. Good, yeah. We put these coins in order. Can you do it? We put these coins in order. Very good. Okay, now it comes back to trying to remember how much these coins are worth to help us put them in order. Okay? All righty, let's see. The biggest coin that we have is what? A quarter. Very good. Oh, it happens to be first. Excellent. What's the next largest coin? Because remember, we start from the coin that's worth the most, not the biggest in size, the one that's worth the most, and then we work our way down. Alex, the dime. Oh, you're right. The dime is next. Boy, we're having good luck today. Then comes the nickel, correct? And then the penny. All right. Good job. Now, I want you to watch me count these. So that way in the next couple examples, you can help me and you can do some, and then you can do some on your own. So we'll do some together, and you do some on your own. All right, eyes up here, hands in your lap, shoulders back, learning caps on. Great. All right, follow along and listen to my voice. The first coin we have is a quarter, and we know that that quarter is worth 25. So I'm going to write a 25 below it. The next coin that we have is a dime. Dime, dime, skinny and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So I know that I need to add 10 to 25. So we're going to come over here to the tens place, and we're just going to add one up. That means it would be 35. See how we left the ones alone? Good job. Next, we go to the next coin. The next coin is a nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I do know that. 5 cents. That means we need to take 35 and add 5 to it. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You could also use mental math for that if you wanted. Now we're up to 40 cents, and the last coin that we have to add to our total is a penny. I see lots of everyone putting one fingers up. Good job. It's worth 1 cent. 40 plus 1 would be 41. Good job. So that means our total money altogether is 41 peanuts. No, it's not peanuts. What's our label that we put after the 41? Jackson? It's not a dollar sign. A dollar sign looks like this. Jess? Yeah, it's a cent sign. We make a C and we put one line through it. Good job. Can you stand over there? Thank you. All right, we're going to go down to the next example. Actually, before I do that, give me a 3, 2, 1. 3, I totally got this. I think I'm getting it. 2, I'm on my way, Mrs. Coker. I may need some help. Or 1, boy, oh boy, I'm not sure I understand this. Pop it in the chat. Good. Good. All right, let's try some together now. Now I'm going to need your help. okay? I have all of these coins. I have a lot more coins this time than last time, don't I? Let's look for someone to label our coins, okay? Jackson, do you feel up to it? Can you label our coins today? All right, Jackson's gonna label. Here we go. A quarter, very good. Oh, he's on to me. Another quarter. Do you see any other quarters, Jackson? And one more, good. All right, Jackson. You know what, buddy? These are not dimes. Dimes are smaller and they have the ridges along the outside. It's hard to see on a screen, but if you feel them in life, you can feel them. They're nickels. Yes, let's label a nickel. Oh, and Jackson's already telling me how much these are worth. Good job. Don't forget our last one, a penny. Good. Excellent. All right. Now, thank you, Jackson. Kiss your brain. That was wonderful. Now I'm looking for some friends that haven't raised their hand yet. They're looking at me. They're processing. Your brain's working, but you haven't raised your hand yet. All right, Alexis. Good. Alexis, can you tell me how much each of these coins are worth? I think you can do it. She can do it, can't she? Let's give her an oh yeah to build her confidence. Oh yeah. All right, Alexis, here we go. Okay, let's put these coins in order first. You're correct. So we have a quarter. Yep, we need to move the first quarter back up here. What comes next? Quarter was the coin that was worth the most. What coin comes next? A dime. That's right. Do we have a dime? No. What do we have next? A nickel. All right. Eyes up here. And last is a penny. Very good. All right, Alexis, I think you can do it. Let's count these coins. Here we go. A quarter's worth what? What is a quarter worth? 25. Very good. Good job. And what's 2 quarters worth? 50. Good job. 50. Oh, do we remember? Can we go back in our brains on our quarter song? Let's do it. I want you to listen to me. It goes like this. 1 quarter's 25. 2 quarters 50. 3 quarters 75. 4 quarters $1. Woo! Look, let's go back to that slide so we can remind ourselves of it. Oh, there it is. Say it to yourself. Say it to yourself. Oh, I see everybody jamming out. Good job. Excellent. 75. That's right. Good job. Now we need to add what? Add 10 because we don't have a dime. 5. 75 plus 5. Oh, she's getting her fingers out, everybody. She's counting. Good job. 6, 7. Good. It's 80. Yes. Very good. And another 5. 85. Bravo, everybody. Oh, and Alexa says one more, 1 cent. 86. 86. Let's see if Mrs. Coker can get a 6 written. Do we have 86 cupcakes? My favorite dessert. No, 86 peanuts. Oh, very good. Everyone put it in the chat. It was cents, 86 cents. Good job, everybody. All right, everyone. Now that we have gone over and reviewed how to count or what each coin is and what it's worth, how to put our money in order from greatest to least of the amount, what 4 quarters is worth. You watched me do an example. You did some examples with me. Now I want you to go back to Seesaw and I want you to go ahead and try the example that I posted for you on your own, okay? I'm going to stay here. I'm going to be here if you need any help, but I want you to try to remember your steps. If you need something to go back and look at, remember on your wall, I posted that little poster, what each of those coins are worth and a hundreds chart. So if you need help counting up and down, you can certainly use that. You should have a hundreds chart in your folder at home as well. Okay. Does anyone have any questions? All right. Before we end, let's have just a little brain break since we really worked our brains. All right. If you can hear me, touch your nose. If you can hear me, touch your chin. If you can hear me, tap your head. If you can hear me, shrug your shoulders. If you can hear me, clap your hands. I see lots of people listening. Okay, I have your attention now. All right, we're just going to do a quick little game of virtual Simon Says. You have to be honest. You got to be quick. Are you ready? All right. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, tap your shoulders. Simon says, touch your hips. Touch your nose. Oh, did I get anyone? All right. Simon says, tap your head. Tap your shoulders. Stop. Oh, I got some of you. All right. Remember, you can always take those quick brain breaks when you need them. Please go on and work on that. Posted a quick little practice assignment that I gave you. If you need any help, come back on and I will help you. I know you can do this. Give it your best try and go back to the reference sheets if you need them.